Ever wondered why NASCAR and Formula One make a big deal about tires? That's because nothing ruins a good drive like these car tire mistakes most people make. Stick around, and I'll share a bonus tip to make your tires last longer and save you money. Mistake number 1, buying cheap tires. Cheap tires are trash. They degrade quickly, are more prone to punctures, and have poor traction. High-quality tires can better handle mistakes like overloading and off-roading. Some drivers think budget tires are fine if they drive cautiously, but even careful driving can't prevent the risk of blowouts or poor handling, especially in extreme conditions. Mistake number 2, neglecting the spare tire. Just because your spare tire sits in the trunk doesn't mean it's in perfect shape. Rubber breaks down over time, even if it's never used. So, if your spare is a few years old, it might not be as reliable as you think. Regularly check your spare for wear and note its age. Mistake number 3, skipping tire rotation. Front tires wear out faster because they carry the engine's weight. That's why rotating them every 5,000 miles helps them last longer. Worn front tires also make acceleration harder. You'll end up using more fuel and putting extra stress on the engine. Some manufacturers suggest keeping your best tires on the rear for better stability, especially in wet conditions. Mistake number 4, overlooking wheel offset. An incorrect offset can make your wheels sit too far in or too far out. This causes uneven tire wear and, over time, can even damage your suspension. To get a safe, flush fit, always check the recommended offset for your car's make and model. Mistake number 5, ignoring rim and tire compatibility. If you're thinking of upsizing rims, watch for suspension strain. Larger rims or staggered setups can put stress on your car's suspension. Misfitting rims may also rub against the brakes, causing wear. Before making changes, check that the new rims are compatible with your vehicle. Mistake number 6, relying on old tires. New tires cost a pretty penny, so it's tempting to keep rolling on the old ones until the tread's hanging by a thread. But here's a shocker. Tires have an expiration date. You'll find it in the DOT number on the sidewall, which tells you when they were made. From there, you've got about 10 years max. Now, most manufacturers suggest changing tires after 6 years. Why? Because rubber doesn't age like fine wine. It crumbles, making old tires way less reliable. Legally, you can drive on them until the tread's down to 1.6 millimeters, but only if you're still in that 10-year window. Halfway through, but we're just getting into the good stuff. Mistake 7, forgetting regular tire pressure checks. It's easy to wait until your car warns you about a problem, right? But that's like only brushing your teeth when someone says your breath stinks. The same goes for the tire pressure light. Tires lose about 1 psi each month, but that little drop won't trigger the warning light until it hits the minimum. So if your tires are overinflated or underinflated, you've got trouble. Your brakes don't work right, handling gets sloppy, you waste fuel, and worst of all, you're risking a blowout. Mistake number 8, skipping wheel alignment. Did you know that bad wheel alignment can cut your tire's life in half? An alignment every 2 to 3 years costs about $200 for all 4 wheels. But replacing tires that go bad in 3 years instead of 6 can cost you $200 each. So that alignment could save you around $600 in repairs. Hang tight, and I'll reveal the telltale sign your wheels are craving an alignment. Moving on, mistake number 9. Using incorrect tire size. Using the wrong size tires is a financial and safety hazard. For starters, wrong tires increase the stress on the car's suspension. You also have less control while driving, and it reduces the after-sale value of your car. How, you ask? Smaller tires will show higher odometer readings, thus registering a higher mileage than reality. Mistake number 10. Mixing different types of tires. Now, nobody following my channel would do this, but just in case, mixing run flats with regular tires or using different tire ratings is a recipe for disaster. The tires wear out unevenly and the ride gets wobbly. Worst case, it could lead to an accident. Mistake number 11, selecting the wrong speed rating. Every tire comes with a speed rating. This rating tells you its maximum safe speed. You'll see it on the sidewall, next to the size. Speed ratings range from B to Z, so check yours. Going over this limit can cause the tire to overheat, making handling harder. Always check your car's manual for the correct rating. Dealers will usually recommend the right one, but it's smart to double check, especially if you're into performance driving. Mistake number 12, overloading the vehicle. This one is a two-part problem. First, using tires with a low load rating. Second, hauling too much weight. Even if the tires are rated right, underinflated or overloaded tires make driving unstable. You'll burn more fuel and the handling will feel off. But there's an even bigger risk. Overloading causes heat to build up in the tires. That heat can cause the tread to separate from the tire belt. This is a serious accident risk. Always match the right tire load rating to your needs and keep it light if possible. Mistake number 13, choosing tires unsuited for the road. Swapping tires every season can be a hassle, but it's much worse to lose traction on the road, or even worse, to crash into another car. If nothing else, think about all-weather tires. They're a good choice for mild climates. But if you live with harsh winters, you need winter tires. Let's talk about your driving habits. Do you drive at high speeds often? Then performance tires are a great fit. They're made to handle speed better. Or if you're on rugged terrain, off-road tires are the way to go. Custom wheels and flashy colors might look good, but quality matters more than appearance. Tires with good traction keep you safe. So always choose safety over style. Mistake number 14, not having a portable tire inflator. Unless you have run flats, portable air compressors will save you time and possibly a tow. This is crucial if you don't have a spare tire, drive on a road with loads of potholes, or do a lot of off-roading. Even if you have a spare, changing a tire on the side of the road isn't fun, especially in extreme weather conditions. Portable tire inflators are fairly inexpensively worth it. Mistake number 15, buying wheels and tires separately. Let's talk about bundling. A big mistake people make is buying wheels and tires separately. At first, it might seem like a good idea to test fit the wheels before you buy tires. But here's the deal. Buying them separately usually costs more. Companies often offer discounts when you bundle them together, saving you serious cash. Plus, bundling often includes mounting and balancing, which you'd pay extra for if you bought separately. And it's not just about saving money. If you're planning a stretched tire setup, buying tires separately can lead to headaches. Many local shops won't even mount stretched tires. Why? They see it as unsafe or too difficult to install. Even if they agree, your wheels could get scratched during the process. Another thing to consider is fitment errors. When you bundle, the tires are guaranteed to fit the wheels properly, reducing the risk of mistakes. And you'll save yourself from the hassle of waiting for separate deliveries, which can delay your installation. Here's the bottom line. Bundling your wheels and tires saves money, avoids fitment errors, and skips the judgment at the shop. Companies that offer packages handle everything for you, so you can drive off with no issues. Mistake number 16, relying on visual inspections for tire pressure. Using your eyes to check tire pressure is a mistake too many drivers make. Tires can look fine, but still be underinflated or overinflated. Did you know a tire can lose up to 20% of its pressure without looking flat? Visual checks just don't cut it. Here's the thing, tire pressure changes with temperature. That's why it's so important to check your tires when they're cold, like first thing in the morning or after your car has been parked for a few hours. If you check them after driving, the heat causes the air to expand, giving you a false reading. Adjusting the pressure based on that hot reading can leave your tires underinflated once they cool down. Underinflated tires wear faster, waste fuel, and increase the risk of blowouts. Overinflated tires reduce traction and cause uneven tread wear, making your ride less stable. Neither is good for your safety or your budget. The fix is easy. Use a tire pressure gauge and check your tires monthly when they're cold. Skip the guesswork. This small habit gives you better handling, saves money on fuel, and keeps you safe on the road. It's worth those extra few minutes. Mistake number 17, neglecting to regularly inspect tire tread depth. Let's talk about tire tread. It's one of those things drivers often overlook, but it's critical for safety. Your tire tread is what grips the road, especially in wet or slippery conditions. If it's worn down, your tires lose traction. That means a higher risk of hydroplaning, longer braking distances, and less control when you need it most. Here's a quick way to check it. Grab a penny and place it into the tread groove with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, your tread is too low and it's time for new tires. If you want something more precise, use a tread depth gauge. They're easy to find and simple to use. But checking tread depth isn't just about safety. It can also save you money. Worn treads cause uneven wear, which can mean alignment or suspension issues. Catching these early prevents bigger problems down the line. Plus, tires with good tread improve fuel efficiency and last longer. So, make it a habit to check your tread every couple of months or before long trips. It's a quick, easy step that keeps you safer and your car running smoothly. All right, so here's the secret bonus tip. Use an aerospace-grade tire conditioner. Now, you're probably wondering, what's so special about that? Well, unlike regular tire cleaners, these conditioners do more than just make your tires look good. They protect them from UV damage, cracking, and even curb wear. This is the same formula used on airplane tires to withstand extreme conditions. Applying it every few weeks, especially in hot weather or if you park outside, can be a real game changer. As promised, here's how to tell if your wheels need alignment. A steering wheel shift at high speeds, uneven tire wear, or a pull to one side all demand attention. Now that you know how to avoid these common car tire mistakes, take it a step further. Watch my video, 11 car maintenance tips mechanics don't want you to know, for pro secrets to save cash and keep your car in top shape.